So once you finish painting, we're going to take these acrylic markers and you're going to use them kind of like Sharpies. One aspect is you can use them kind of like Sharpies and kind of outline things, clean things up, and draw right on top. You don't necessarily have to have a black outline, right? So I'm going to use this reddish color to go over this pink and just kind of clean up this spot on my shoe. There are several different colors of each, so you may want to test them out on the side to see what they look like before putting them out. And so don't know if, depending on how noticeable you want it or how noticeable you don't want it. So just like a Sharpie, just kind of clean things up. There are two different sides to these. There's a thin, more like a pencil edge, and then there's a fat, more like a Sharpie edge or marker. And so that would be the first thing you're going to do, is just kind of use these, kind of clean up your painting, clean your edges up, fix any of those kinds of mistakes. So I've cleaned up some of my spots, but I'm also going to start using colored pencils. Colored pencils I can use same way, clean up and kind of shade a little bit. So I'm going to use some of these real quick. You're going to want your pencil lead to be sharp. I can draw on these, like if I wanted it to have a little design. At this point, you're trying to make your piece stronger than it. It's not just a painting anymore. Alright, so this shoe has a bunch of netting, right? So I need to find a color that's going to go on top of my netting, or on top of my colors. And so I'm going to try out this white. I would use a ruler, but, and so there's the fat part and the skinnier part. But I've been doing this long enough that I think I can get some pretty straight lines, and I can space out my lines. And then crosshatch would be opposite direction to create the netting. So you can see some of my lines are starting to get uneven and a little wiggly, so this is where a ruler would help. But trying to save time for the video. And so now I have my netting in my shoe, right? Other things I can do is the stitch work, right? So find something that I'm willing to use, and now I can do the stitching. And again, this can be achieved by marker. This could be achieved by color pencil. And so you really start to bring out and highlight different aspects to your shoe that you didn't draw but are on there, and you really start making this thing come together. So it's going to take you some time, take you a little bit of effort, but done correctly, this will make your picture really start to pop and come together. And so other ways you can use the color pencils is like, so I have this like decrease, I have this like kind of like divot. So using my shading skills, I can start to add some of these details. I really want to see I want this to be a complete picture. This is not just check a box, turn something in. I'm really trying, at this point in the year, I'm really trying to see what you guys have learned, what you developed, how you see things, your artistic skills. Your attention to detail. So I want to start seeing all that come together. Alright, and over the course of the week I'll continue to work on this, and you can see how it will change. I'll even show you how I would do with my background.